post content on Snapchat, you can earn crystals, and these crystals turn into dollars. So for example, this one, 4,000 crystals, it became $481. Then this another one, 9,277 crystals, these became $927. So almost $1,000 from one video, just one Snapchat video. So what is this program and how do you make money from Snapchat? We're going to talk all about that in today's video. By the way, I'll share 3 extremely important tips with you if you want to make money from Snapchat. So make sure you watch till the end. Also like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, so once you open Snapchat, you can make money by posting Snapchat Spotlight. So you see at the bottom this play icon, this is the Snapchat Spotlight. It's kind of similar to, they have ads now too. Wow, that's awesome. It's kind of similar to what you see on TikTok, Reels, Shorts. It's short form videos. A lot of people repurpose this content from their TikTok, which is fine, but you want to be careful. I'll share some tips with you. But for posting these Snapchats, these simple, entertaining Snapchat, you can make tens and thousands of dollars. So you'll see some of these are really, really simple, entertaining, fun videos. All right, let me show you how do you access. For example, look at this. This is actually my favorite one. So this is like a riddle or a question or a quiz, and this can turn into a lot of money for this person. So when you start posting Snapchat Spotlights, click on this face because I want to show you where do you see the money. Scroll down. You're gonna see this section called Snap Crystals. Go inside there, and then here you go. So click on more ways to earn money. When you click here are different programs that I'm enrolled in: Snapchat Spotlight Incentive and Spotlight Challenges. So there are 2 different programs, and when you click on incentives, it's going to show you all the details. So how do you get paid? Here are the eligibility criteria. So make sure to be in the program, you have to go to the settings and apply, but to become eligible, this is what you need. Your account's gotta be 1 month old, profile must be public, minimum 1,000 followers, which is really easy to get, receive a minimum of 1,000 views in a month, which anyone can get, and then some other simple one, eligible country. Make sure you do live in the eligible country, and setting up payment. So the rules are pretty straightforward and simple. The main one is this wasn't the case, but now your account needs to be a 1 month old account, because a lot of people used to create new accounts and scam, but that doesn't work anymore. All right, so this is the program, Snap Crystal, Snapchat Spotlight, how do you, to make money. Now the things I want to share with you, 3 tricks. Number 1, make sure you go to Snapchat Spotlight platform and absorb or consume some of this content, because this will give you a feeling of what type of content is going viral. Some of this is really simple. Look at this, the animal, educational, entertaining content, very, very simple content, and it can go viral. Look at this, almost a million views on that one. Let's look at this one. Ooh, wow, 3.6 million views. I bet they made a ton of money. Drawing content does really well too. So neat. All right, so tip number 1 is make your content entertaining, consume some content so you can know what's working. Tip number 2 is just copy the ideas that are already working. So you'll see some of this content is very simple. It's just entertaining. All right, you'll see some of this content is super, super simple, like this one. It's just a question. But some of these videos do really well. So steal like an artist, go to someone's profile and you can get some ideas. And obviously don't just copy them, get the ideas, but then put your own flip to it. So 1.8 million view. If you look at this, let's watch this together. Me, marriage, my boyfriend. This is so cool, and I've seen a ton of content with this format, and looks like this does really well. The last tip I'll share with you is if you are reusing content from your TikTok, which a lot of people do, or your Instagram Reels, make sure you remove the logo. So do not use content with the logo. So this is how you make money on Snapchat. Any questions, let me know. By the way, I'll put some videos up here. You can also make with short form video, make money on Facebook and Instagram. So go watch those videos as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.